In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a word cloud in Microsoft Word. Word clouds are a fun and visually appealing way to display words, often highlighting the most frequently used terms in your text. So let's dive right into how you can create one. First things first, open your Microsoft Word document. This is where you'll create and integrate your word cloud. Once you've opened your document, you'll need to select the text that you want to turn into a word cloud. This could be a paragraph, a page, or the entire document, whatever you feel best represents the words you'd like to emphasize visually. After selecting your text, head over to the Home tab located at the top of your screen. This tab houses most of the tools you'll use regularly while working in Word. It's where you'll find everything you need to initiate the Word cloud creation process. Next, look for the Add-ins option. It's a convenient feature in Microsoft Word that allows you to enhance the functionality of your software by integrating additional tools and features. Click on Add-ins and a search box will appear. Type Word Cloud into this box, which will help you find the add-in needed for this task. Once you've found the appropriate add-in, click on Add. This action will integrate the Word Cloud Generator into your Word interface, making it a straightforward feature you can access anytime you need it. At this point, you can start customizing the look of your word cloud. Consider what style fits best with your document. You might want to play with the fonts, picking one that's bold or whimsical based on your aesthetic preferences. Colors are another aspect to customize. You might choose a color scheme that complements the rest of your document or one that makes your word cloud really pop. Also, consider the layout. Some are more condensed while others are more spread out. The choice here really depends on how you want the final image to look. After you've settled on the design details, click on Create Word Cloud. The add-in will generate your word cloud based on the text you've selected and the customizations you've applied. This might take a few moments, so be patient as the add-in works its magic. Once created, you'll need to incorporate the word cloud into your document. To do this, right-click on your newly created word cloud and select Copy Image. Navigate back to the part of your document where you'd like to place the word cloud and simply paste it in. You can adjust its size and position to fit seamlessly with your content. And that's it. You've just created a word cloud in Microsoft Word. This visual representation can make your document stand out, highlight important themes or ideas, and engage your audience in a unique way. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and straightforward. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this one.